of a partners in the absence of partnership deed. The rights of a partner in the absence of a partnership deed are as follow. 1. Rights to take part in the business. Every partner has a right to take part in the conduct of the business of the firm. Where a partner neglects or refuses to perform his duties, and the burden of performing such duties for the conduct of business falls on the other partners. It is the first right to take part in the business. The other rights to be consulted. Every partner has an inherent right to be consulted in all matters affecting the business of the partnership before any decision is taken by the partners. Where there is any difference of opinion among the partners as to ordinary matters connected with the business, it may be settled. This is the second right to be consulted. Right of access to accounts. Every partner has a right to have access to inspect and copy any of the books of the firm, but no books. Here are three rights of the partners in the absence of the partnership deed. First, right to take part in the business. Second, right to be consulted. Right of access to accounts. Okay. The next, fourth of the rights of the business is now right to share in the profit. In the absence of any agreement, the partners are entitled to share equally in the profits earned and are liable to contribute equally to the losses sustained by the firm. Fifth, right to interest on capital. The partnership agreement may contain a clause the right of the partners to claim interest on capital at a certain rate. Next, right to interest on advances. Where a partner makes for the purpose of the business of the firm and advance beyond the amount of capital, he is entitled to interest on such advance at the rate of 6% per annum, and such interest is not only payable out of the profit of the business. Next, right to the use of the partnership property. the property of the firm must be held and used by the partners exclusively for the purpose of the business of the firm. Right of partners as agent of the firm. Every partner for the purpose of the business of the firm is the agent of the firm and subject to the provision of the Indian Partnership Act. The act of the partner which is done next. No liability before joining. A person who is introduction as a partner into a firm is not liable for any act of the firm done before he became a partner. 10. Right not to be expelled. A partner has a right not to be expelled from the firm by any majority of the partners, save in it the exercise in good faith of the power conferred by the contract between the partner. Okay, thank you. Rights of a partners in the absence